Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ghost writing book Phasmophobia, updated. Open the journal, equip the book, and place it on a flat surface near suspected ghost activity to collect messages. Wait patiently and record any marks, letters, or symbols you see. Move the book to different locations if nothing appears after a few minutes. Always communicate with your team and prioritize safety during each attempt. To trigger ghost writing, position the book where evidence is strongest, like high EMF or low temperature areas, and then retreat a bit to avoid scaring the apparition. Stay quiet and limit movement to let the ghost interact naturally with the book. If nothing appears, change the book's location and try again while monitoring other evidence like fingerprints or orb activity. Consistent placement increases the odds of clear, readable writing. Capture every writing with a photo and a brief note about the location and time so you can spot repeating patterns later. Analyze handwriting, common words, and any peculiar symbols to match them to ghost types or behaviors. Discuss observations with your team and cross-check clues like EMF, freezing temps, or fingerprints to confirm your theory. This methodical approach helps you identify the ghost reliably and avoid false positives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.